Talking about going straight into flight, Beenie Man hosts a brief in-flight concert in the Bahamas. If you have not seen this viral clip, it surfaced, early last week and has made its round on social media. It was an impromptu in-flight concert for passengers who boarded an airplane in the Bahamas, and he belted out some tunes which had everybody in the crew in cheers, laughter, and applause.
Big up to Beenie Man, the consummate performer.
Oh, na 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 na. Oh, na 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 na. It's all about Rome. Big fat sister Naomi. And the two of them they know me. And them argument. All right, so if I say Sim Simma. Oh, my keys to the bimmer. Oh, my.
Welcome to Island Heat. This is your hostess, Lady Lalabella. Want to get more trivia and new music from the hottest Caribbean artists based in Atlanta? Go subscribe to the Island Heat radio show on YouTube and click Get Notifications for exclusive content. Tap in and keep it locked.